money. The airport sellers. Why? Right now, officers, we used to go to Nairobi West. Sidu kweli? What happens to Nairobi West? Nairobi West, excuse me, Nairobi West currently even officers cannot access their services. Why? You don't pay.
Yes.
Majority of our officers, but it is just on a lighter note, majority of our officers, when you're in Nairobi West, wakienda 90%, wangapi wanakujana wakiwa wazima? Very few. Reason, the services that you give to us doesn't satisfy us. You people, if you are APA, act like APA. APA, for example, APA, imepea, kuna some of these, let's say like the judiciary, wengine wako na APA, but they're not being treated the way you are treating us. You are treating us like trash. They can access to all facilities. Tulikuwa na NHIF, and still we are bleeding for the NHIF. The services that NHIF used to give us, it was the best. NHIF haija kukwambia unaenda level 5 ama uende level 2. I was going to the hospital of my own choice. But currently mnatuchagulia. Is it that the money that the government gives to you is not enough? If it's not enough, let the best ichukue. The best bidder to take it. Because right now tunaumia. We have got our senior officers. Our senior officers wanaweza enda wako na limit ya 200,000 years. Hatukatai. Mtu anaweza toka ako na smart card yake anaenda Bristol Park. Anatibiwa na hatatibiwa. Lakini sisi tukienda hospitali utaambiwa nini? Huwezi tibiwa. Kwa nini? If you want to improve your services, provide cards to the officers. Kama ni limited, ikuwe limited, but it's tuandike pale unlimited and it's limited. Why did you not call the service providers for hizo hospitali zenye ziko Machakos? Kwa nini amuge waita? If you want to provide the best thing to us, call the service providers wenye wako within Machakos. Whatever mnatuambia hapa, si whatever mlienda mkakaa kwa table na the service providers wa hospitali. I went to Bishop Kioko myself. Nikaongea na CEO wa Bishop Kioko. Aliniambia whatever you tabled to them, it's completely different to whatever you're telling us right now.
Yes.
So, whatever you're supposed to do, act. If you're not going to act, just leave us alone. Wacha tutoe pesa kwa mifuko yetu tujue that the government is not helping us, rather than giving us something that won't help us.